Introducing Fall Looks Good to Me. How about you help me out? When you see this owl, read the words, "Wow, fall looks good to me." Let's practice. Are you ready? Wow, fall looks good to me. Fall is here, come look with me. So many autumn things to see. 1. I see trees with leaves so bright, red and yellow in the light. 2. I see jack-o'-lanterns glow, smiley faces in a row. Wow, fall looks good to me. 3. I see scarecrows in the hay, waving as I walk their way. 4. I see squirrels scamper by, carrying nuts they love to try. Wow, fall looks good to me. 5. I see football games begin, crowds all cheering for a win. 6. I see owls with watching eyes, their hoots echo through the skies. Wow, fall looks good to me. 7. I see acorns on the ground, little treasures to be found. Fall has things for all to see, autumn fun for you and me. Wow, fall looks good to me. Fantastic! Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.